Namaskara. In this video, we are going to learn important facts about Mandya district. Mandya district is the administrative district of Karnataka and was carved out of Mysore in 1939. This district borders Mysore, Chamarajanagar, Hassan, Tumkur and Ramnagara districts. There are 7 taluks included in the Mandya district: Mandya, Malavalli, Maddur, Nagamangala, Krishnarajpet, Pandavapura and Srirangpatna. I will be providing information on Mandya district in 2 different videos. Mandya is nicknamed as Sugar City because sugar cane is a major crop. Sugar factories contribute to the major economic output of this district. Somana Kunita, Suggi Kunita are popular folk dances of Mandya district. Maddur is a taluk in Mandya district where Shimsha river flows through. Shivapura is a place in Maddur taluk which is famous for the historic pre-independence movement. In the year 1931, flag satyagraha movement took place. There is a monument present to commemorate the freedom fighters' sacrifice for independence movement. Maddur taluk is famous for Narasimha temple, where it is believed Kadamba rishis installed the deity of this temple. Also, there is a belief that Arjuna, when he came along with Sri Krishna for Tirtha Yatra, performed puja rituals to this Narasimha deity. Hence, this place is also called as Arjunapuri. There is also Varadaraja temple, which was built by Vishnuvardhana of Hoysala dynasty. A popular annual fair is held in honor of the village deity called Madduramma. There is a bird sanctuary called Kokkarebellur in Maddur taluk. It is nationally accredited conservatory bird sanctuary. Pelicans from all around the world make their home in Kokkarebellur from January to July and then return back during winter days. A very popular snack is named after this taluk, Maddur, which is called Maddur Vade. Mandya taluk in Mandya district has Lokapavani river flowing through. Janardhana temple is popular pilgrimage where it was called Vedaranya during Krita Yuga, and it is believed Indravarma from Dwapara Yuga meditated in this temple. Balamuri and Yedamuri are popular tourist spot in Mandya taluk. Basaralu in Mandya taluk has famous Mallikarjuna temple built by Harihara of Hoysala dynasty. Krishnarajasagara, also popularly known as KRS, is a lake and dam built on the Kaveri river and its tributaries Hemavati and Lakshmanatirtha. Krishnaraja Vodayar IV, Maharaja of Mysore, constructed this dam during critical financial condition in the state, and the foundation stone was laid by the Vodayar king himself. The main architect of the dam was Chief Engineer of Mysore, Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. There is Brindavan Gardens attached to the dam built by Diwan Sir Mirza Ismail. This dam is the main source of water for districts of Mysore and Bangalore regions. In the Kannambadi village, during 17th century, Kantirava Narasaraja Vodayar built Gopalakrishna temple. This temple was immersed in the backwaters of KRS dam. In recent times, they have installed a new deity in this temple. Coming to Nagamangala taluk of Mandya district, Adi Chunchanagiri is famous for Bhairava temple. It is believed Lord Shiva gave the area from Gajaranya called Chunchanakatte to Rama and Lakshmana when they came in search of Sita. It is also believed that Shiva killed a demon named Chunchu and then installed Guru Peetam in this place, which got its name as Adi Chunchanagiri. It is also believed that a Siddha yogi who was born out of Lord Shiva's Kapala came here and had the darshan of Shiva himself. Hence, he installed Shaiva Pita in this place. Lord Shiva here is in 5 different forms: Gangadhareshwara, Ishwara, Someshwara, Malleshwara and Gavisiddeshwara. There is Vimalanatha Basadi in Bellur of Nagamangala taluk, built in 17th century. Kannadada Kanva Sri B. M. Srikantaya, a poet, was born here in Bellur. There is a memorial museum for him here. Another famous Keshava temple is in Bindiganavale of Nagamangala taluk. With guidance from Sri Ramanujacharya, Hoysala king Vishnuvardhana built this temple. There are Garuda and Hanuman deities in this temple, which are made of wood, considered as family deity for many of them in this village. During Ganga period, Kampadahalli was popular Jain shrine. There are various basadis around this village. There is a huge pillar in the center of this village which represents Brahma and Ashtadevatas. Nagamangala is a village famous for making brass and bronze idols. There is also famous Saumya Keshava temple here. There is Narasimha temple behind Saumya Keshava temple where devotees worship by performing the ritual of offering milk to king cobras. The ant hill is located inside the temple. Every Friday there will be farmers market which is very popular among villagers here. Close to KRS Dam, there is Kalhalli village famous for 4 meters long Varahaswami with goddess Lakshmi on his lap. Malavalli is a taluk in Mandya district where we can find many small-scale businesses. In Ramayana, Sita had lost her nose ring in the Kaveri river here. Hanuman found that nose ring from the river, hence he got name as Muttettaraya and there is a temple for him here. Shimshapura is a village nearby Maddur where there is hydroelectric power station. As I had mentioned in Chamarajnagara district video, twin waterfalls Gaganachukki and Barachukki comprises to form Shivanasamudra. Gaganachukki is in Mandya district and Barachukki in Chamarajnagara district. In the year 1900, hydroelectric power station was started here. It is named as South Asia's first largest hydroelectric power generating station. I am going to conclude the first video of Mandya district with a folk dance on goddess Chaudeshwari, where there is a temple in Malavalli taluk of Mandya district. Thank you. Namaskara.
ತಿಂಗಳು ಮುಳುಗಿದವೋ ರಂಗೋಲೆ ಬೆಳಗಿದವೋ ತಾಯಿ ಚೌಡವ್ವನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆಂದು ಬಾಳೆ ಬಾಗಿದವೋ ತಿಂಗಾಳು ಮುಳುಗಿದವೋ ರಂಗೋಲೆ ಬೆಳಗಿದವೋ ತಿಂಗಾಳು ಮುಳುಗಿದವೋ ರಂಗೋಲೆ ಬೆಳಗಿದವೋ ತಾಯಿ ಚೌಡವ್ವನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆಂದು ಬಾಳೆ ಬಾಗಿದವೋ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಚೌಡವ್ವನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆಂದು ಬಾಳೆ ಬಾಗಿದವೋ ತಿಂಗಾಳು ಮುಳುಗಿದವೋ ರಂಗೋಲೆ ಬೆಳಗಿದವೋ ತಿಂಗಾಳು ಮುಳುಗಿದವೋ ರಂಗೋಲೆ ಬೆಳಗಿದವೋ ತಾಯಿ ಚೌಡವ್ವನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆಂದು ಬಾಳೆ ಬಾಗಿದವೋ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಚೌಡವ್ವನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆಂದು ಬಾಳೆ ಬಾಗಿದವೋ ಮಾಯ್ಕಾತಿ ಚೌಡವ್ವ ಮಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒದರಿರಿ ಮಾಯ್ಕಾತಿ ಚೌಡವ್ವ ಮಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒದರಿರಿ ಮದ್ದೂರಿಂದಾಚೆ ಮಾಳವಳ್ಳಿ ಬಾಳೆ ಬಾಗಿದವೋ ಮದ್ದೂರಿಂದಾಚೆ ಮಾಳವಳ್ಳಿ ಬಾಳೆ ಬಾಗಿದವೋ ಮದ್ದೂರಿಂದಾಚೆ ಮಳವಳ್ಳಿ ತೋಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮದ್ದೂರಿಂದಾಚೆ ಮಳವಳ್ಳಿ ತೋಪಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂ ಕಂಡು ಮಂಡೆ ಅಲೆ ವಧುವರು ಬಾಳೆ ಬಾಗಿದವೋ. ಹೂ ಕಂಡು ಮಂಡೆ ಅಲೆ ವಧುವರು ಬಾಳೆ ಬಾಗಿದವೋ. ತಿಂಗಾಳು ಮುಳುಗಿದವೋ ರಂಗೋಲ ಬೆಳಗಿದವೋ. ತಾಯಿ ಚೌಡವನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆಂದು ಬಾಳೆ ಬಾಗಿದವೋ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಚೌಡವನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆಂದು ಬಾಳೆ ಬಾಗಿದವೋ. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಚೌಡವನ ಪೂಜೆಗೆಂದು ಬಾಳೆ ಬಾಗಿದವೋ.